I just want to share a very cool stuff that I just stumbled upon. I was just doing some kind of a results, then something like this. Cool. Let me take it bit by bit. All right. So, what am I playing? So, fi, fa, la, do, mi, re. Next. Do, ta, do, so, do, re, do, va. Next. Now, next, I'm playing. Switching to key of E flat now. Then I'm playing. Re, mi, fa, mi, re. Do, la, fa, mi, re. In the key of E flat. Re, mi, fa, mi, re. Do, la, fa, mi, re. Alright, let me just show you a very quick tip on how I can apply that lick we've just learned into my kind of improvisation. This is what I do. Number one thing, I try to get a feel of the lick, knowing too well that in most cases I will not like just play the lick the way I learned it. The basic thing here is just to get the background information of this kind of concept and technique. You allow it to be in your fingers, then you can always apply it at any time where it fits well. All right, so let me show you a very quick tip. Okay,